So all are welcome on this digital platform of Institute Industry Forum. So we have just I will introduce about the forum for 5 minutes, and then our sir will take over the session. So the aim of this forum is to bridge the gap between industry and academia. So we have so many activities in this forum. So under these activities, we have planned this session between Institute Industry Forum and National Center for Financial Education. So today we have arranged this free webinar for online financial education program. And it is very much important for all of us to achieve individuals' financial goals. So for that, today we have faculty, Mr. Nawabuddin sir. So he is a trainer and specialist in faculty in this. So once again, I welcome to all the professionals from Institute Industries for this webinar. And I will introduce about the forum that we have formed this forum to bridge the gap between academia and industry. So under this forum, we arrange regular webinars. Then under this forum, we have so many members from institutions as well as different industries. So like IITs, NIT, CPRI, and NPTI, and there are so many DISCOMs, Transcos in our country that are connected. Also, some of the private companies are also connected. So under this forum, we arrange different webinars, and for that we give particularly remuneration for the expert as well as. Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Hi. Audible. Go ahead, please.
Okay. Sorry. So these are some of the activities of the forum. Under this also we have students forum. For this number of more than 500 students across India are connected. So under this we provide them guidance for the project, dissertation, seminars, and many more. We participate them into these regular webinars. Also we have launched some industrial training courses in which students they will get the industry knowledge and practical knowledge. It is how to do operation, maintenance, and testing of the at industry level. So such courses we have started. These are some of the categories of the courses. And now about NCFE. So NCFE is a National Center for Financial Education, is under Section 8. It's a non-profit organization, and it is promoted by Reserve Bank of India, SEBI, IRDAI, and PFRDA. And it is to promote financial awareness between the people, among the people. So that's why this organization is working. And so with this joint collaboration, we have planned today's webinar. So for this, we have expert faculty. That is, he is a trainer actually, Mr. Nawabuddin. So I would like to briefly introduce himself. So he is actually a freelance trainer, and he belongs to city of Agra. That is it is especially favorite for Taj Mahal. And his research areas are social entrepreneurship, rural development, youth development, community development. He's working with many training and placement agencies, and as an officer also at Institute of Engineering and Technology. And he holds MPhil degree in management from Bundelkhand University. And there are so many achievements by him. He has total experience 20 plus years in industry as well as academics. He has worked with so many organizations. There are Escotel Mobile Communication, and many more institutions are like that, ICFAI. And also he has presented 12 papers at national and international conferences. 3 papers he has published. Also he has presented paper at Malaysia in Sunway University. He has participated in so many conferences, seminars, workshops, and he worked as a faculty development program which is held at Tata Institute of Social Science in Mumbai. And also he has presented himself in Indian Institute of Technology, Chennai. There are so many institutes he has presented. He has been invited for so many talks on soft skills, life skills, personality development, career counseling, and expanded training institutions. He is also connected with Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India, and again so many universities he is connected. He is again associated with social organizations, and also he has visited to foreign countries like Dubai and Malaysia, and also he traveled to 22 states in India. Also, he is a resource person for SEBI, and he has conducted so many webinars and also workshops for the financial literacy awareness. So he is again connected with so many organizations. There are so many organizations. So I'm not taking that much time for his introduction, and I would like to request to Nawabuddin sir to start his session. Thanks, sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for the introduction. And first of all, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. You are.
Hello. Can you hear me? Okay. I got it. It's on the chat, right? So before starting my webinar, before starting the webinar, I should first of all, I apologize for starting it late because it was at 9:30. Like people start joining too late, so that's why we were not late. So now I'll come to the presentation part. So you might have heard about like some of the things in the chat. If somebody can update me, okay, should I talk in English only or Hindi or both? If it is, what is it comfortable for you? Just I ask the participants to just chat me up whether English is okay. I should speak in English or in Hindi or in both the languages. Just let me know, please. I request the participants, whether I should talk in English only or in Hindi or both. Both. Okay. Right. Thank you.